So AI Yearbook app, which app you need to search for to create these viral AI Yearbook photos. So this app is called Epik. So that's the app you're looking for. It's available on iOS or Android. So this is the app from Snow Corporation. You just can get it, and they just released this viral filter where you can just create your AI yearbook. You basically upload selfies from 8-10 selfies, similar as you do in other AI avatar apps, and then it will just kind of generate these 90s photos. It looks really cool here on the preview. It's not that cool when actually you buy it, but yeah, let's just take a look. So you just open up the app and then instantly you can see this pop up. So you want to buy this, and then so how that works is that you just have this AI yearbook. You just tap in the bottom left to generate it, and then you just tap create new images. Then you need to upload like 8-10 of your selfies. So let's just try to show you. I already bought one package, so I'm not gonna buy it, but here's just an example. And you really need to read the descriptions, how these selfies should look like. You need to have like different face expressions. That's very important. Good lighting. You shouldn't have group photos, like photos with pets and all of that. But yeah, and then you just select your gender, and then you just need to choose an option. So now, as you can see, there are two options. There is standard option for $4, and there is express option, which is a bit faster for $6. And then, as you can see, it works now. But if you try this app during the weekend, it was like peak times in US, these options can show as sold out. Why? Because the servers can be overloaded in this app, as I understand, but not sure. But anyways, avoid periods when there is a peak usage in this app, because then only express option will be available. You will need to pay more. And then you just tap create yearbook images in the bottom. And now let's see how they look like. So I uploaded the selfies you've just seen, and this is how it generates. So it just generates some basic photos. And then, you can just see photos like this, for example. Then you can also just tap save button in the bottom to save them. You can also edit them with templates. You can share them to friends. So things like that, which you can generate. That's basically the idea. Like you can see the example, it's not all of the photos actually that good, but it just gives some interesting vibe. That's just what it is. That's what you have there. And and then you have different categories. It's pretty fun. And then you can also generate a yearbook video in the top left from that. So you can also try it. And then you can save all in the top right. So that's what you get for $6. You just decide if it's a good quality. For me, like the average quality is getting better and better of these AI models. But like if you ordering like 60 images, don't expect that you will be able to use all 60 images. So nope, it's only like, you can use maybe 10 photos, I would say, out of this, which is still better when maybe 10, 20 photos. Like before, when you ordered it, maybe like you could use like 3 photos or 5 photos out like of 50. So now I would say the quality is getting better, but it's not like perfect. Also, that's why that's really important that you upload really good selfies. That's quite important, and then the result will be better. But there you have it.